Ever pondered how crucial predictive maintenance is in the realm of infrastructure? Well, let's dive into it. Predictive maintenance is like the fortune teller of infrastructure. It helps us foresee potential failures before they occur, saving us from catastrophic breakdowns and unnecessary downtime. But it's not just about preventing failures. Predictive maintenance is also about efficiency. It ensures that our bridges, roads, and buildings are always performing at their best without any unexpected hiccups. And let's not forget about public safety. Imagine a world where infrastructure failures are a thing of the past. That's the promise of predictive maintenance. Moreover, predictive maintenance is a cost-effective approach. It helps us avoid the high costs and stress associated with reactive maintenance. Instead of waiting for something to break and then fixing it, we can predict and prevent issues, saving both time and money. Indeed, predictive maintenance is the key to long-lasting and efficient infrastructure. Now, imagine combining the power of artificial intelligence with predictive maintenance. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has the amazing ability to learn from and make sense of data. This power can be harnessed to significantly improve predictive maintenance. Predictive maintenance, as you know, is all about anticipating potential issues before they become actual problems. With AI, this process becomes more efficient and accurate. So, how does AI aid predictive maintenance? It all starts with data. AI algorithms are fed with vast amounts of information, from temperature fluctuations to vibration patterns. These algorithms, much like skilled detectives, sift through this data, identifying patterns and anomalies that could indicate a potential failure. This allows for timely intervention, reducing the risk of catastrophic failures. But the benefits of AI don't stop there. It also saves time. Imagine the countless hours that would be needed for a human to analyze the same volume of data. AI can do this in a fraction of the time, freeing up human resources for other critical tasks. Moreover, AI